Welcome back. This is the second video recording for lesson on week 4 of distance learning for IM2. So we're going to start by quickly recapping what we learned last week. What we did was we started talking about area formula, pi r squared, and then from there we talked about sector area, sector being just a fraction or portion of the complete circle, and that theta being the central angle, the angle that is made at the center. And then we came up with this formula. I actually like this formula better because this is something that you can remember always. Theta over 360. This is the ratio of the circle that we're dealing with. Theta being whatever the central angle is, and then divide by 360 degrees because that's the one revolution, one complete circle is 360 degrees, and then multiply that by the whole circle area, which is pi r squared. We also talked about circumference being 2 pi r, and then from there we talked about arc length. Arc length being a portion of the circumference that is implied by the central angle of theta. There was this formula, but I actually like this formula better, where arc length is theta over 360. So again, this is the ratio of the circle we are dealing with multiplied by the formula for circumference, 2 pi r. So this is a formula that you're going to be able to remember all. Okay, we're going to do some application problems. Here we go. Your pizza sells pizza sliced by the central angle. Which of the following is a better deal? So if you have 10 inch of 60 degree central angle, radius of 15 inch with 45 degrees central angle, and radius of 16 inch with 120 degrees radius and central angle. So please pause the video and see if you can calculate this, and the answer will be shown in 3, 2, 1. The hint for this is the fraction of the pizza is central angle divided by 360 degrees. So we're dealing with 60 divided by 360 times pi r squared, r being 10 inches. So that's 100 divided by 6 pi, which is 16.6, repeating pi into square. 45 degrees with 4-inch radius is going to be 45 divided by 360, multiply that by the total area, which comes out to 18 pi, and then last will be 120 divided by 360, multiplied by that whole area, circle area, you'll get 21.3, repeating pi into square. So which is the best deal? Which will give you the most pizza area? The winner is the last one, smallest pizza. Okay, let's try this problem. Okay, Mr. Pac-Man. This was a very popular video game. I don't know if some of you have seen this, where this Pac-Man goes around munching up this monster. So if Mr. Pac-Man's mouth is 1/5 of his whole face or body, depending on how you look at it, what is the angle of his mouth opening? So we're looking for, we know this sector is 1/5. So we are looking for the angle of his mouth. So how would you do that? Again, the hint will be to use the fraction to figure out the central angle. Please pause the video and the answer will be shown in a minute. 3, 2, 1. Okay, because we're really talking about ratio, we call the 1/5 of his whole face or the body is his mouth. That means the 1/5 is really some theta divided by 363. So this is the theta degrees here. So then multiply both sides by 360, you get 360 divided by 5 is equal to the unknown angle, which is 70 degrees. Okay? So we know that it's 70 degrees. Another problem. How much is white clean? Okay, we do have this dirty car with a window wiper, and we are told that the blade length is 15 inches, but the bar from the center of rotation to the handle is 5 inches. So we're trying to figure out how much is clean, what area is clean. Okay, so we're trying to figure out this pink area. So please pause the video. Oh, I'm sorry. The answer is already given to you. Please pause the video and see if you can come up with the answer yourself. Again, the answer is area of the white area. This is the white area. Is going to be total area. This is going to be the sector. Total of this sector minus area not white. So I'm talking about this area that is not white. So the total sector area is, what is the radius in this case? Is it 15? Is it 5? No, it's actually 15 plus 5, which is 20. So, and we're dealing with, oh, I didn't tell you, the 120 degrees. So 120 degrees out of 360 degrees multiplied pi r squared. And the area that is not plane, this little area is going to be again 120 divided by 260 multiplied by pi r squared. R in this case is 5. Simplify that to 400 pi times the third, 25 times the third, or 25 pi times the third. So subtracting that from this. So that's 400 pi minus 25 pi. Multiply that by a third. And so a third times 1075 pi is actually 125 pi into square. So the area that is white is 25 pi into square. Okay? Alright. Next, I'm going to quit it right now because I'm going to start a new video for the remainder of the lesson.